Most B2B SaaS founders I talk to have the same problem. Traffic is decent, demo requests aren't. And the instinct is to run more ads, post more content, push more volume. But the traffic isn't the problem. The page is. This is website conversion surgery from Narrative Ops. A 5-day sprint that fixes the highest impact conversion leaks on your homepage, so visitors stop bouncing and start booking. Here's what I see all the time on B2B SaaS homepages. Traffic arrives, people read, then they leave. Not because the product isn't good, because the page never gave them a confident reason to act. The site explains what the product does, but it doesn't earn the next step. And these are the 5 signs that's happening. Demo requests are weak despite decent traffic. The site feels fine, but it's not persuasive. Proof exists, but it's buried or too vague. The CTA is either too pushy or too passive. Buyers leave still unsure why you're different. If 2 or more of those sounded familiar, this sprint is built for you. Even when buyers click through, a clunky form or calendar kills the conversion before the call is booked. All 6 of these are fixable, and most homepages have at least 3. Here's exactly what you get at the end of the 5 days. Deliverable 1. A homepage or landing page structure rewrite. That means a new hero, headline, subhead, and primary CTA, a differentiation wedge section. Proof strip placement, a use case section, and a full CTA ladder from safe next step through to demo request. Deliverable 2, a proof placement plan. We inventory what proof you have versus what you need, map where each element should live on the page, and show you how to write proof that supports a buying decision, not just builds credibility. Deliverable 3, CTA ladder and booking flow copy. The safe next step CTA, the demo CTA, the form questions, and the confirmation page copy. All written and ready. Deliverable 4, an implementation handoff, a clean copy document with section-by-section guidance and layout notes for your designer or developer. No full wireframes, just enough detail to implement fast. All 4 deliverables, in your hands by day 5. Here's how the 5 days are structured. Day 1 is the audit and teardown. We identify the 5 to 10 highest leverage fixes and lock the new page narrative before any writing begins. Days 2 and 3 are the rewrite, hero, wedge, proof, use cases, CTA ladder, every section rebuilt with conversion intent. Day 4 is the CTA ladder and booking flow. We build the safe next step, write the demo CTA, and tighten the entire path from first click to booked call. Day 5 is polish and handover. You get the final copy document, the proof placement plan, and the implementation notes, plus a live walkthrough so everything is clear. 5 days, structured, no open-ended timelines. This sprint was built for a specific type of founder. You have traffic, but weak demo requests. People are landing. They're just not converting. Your site feels fine but doesn't persuade. You've looked at it 100 times and something's off, but you can't pinpoint exactly what. You rely on word of mouth, and you need the site to start doing more of that work for cold traffic. You're about to run paid campaigns, and sending paid traffic to a low-converting page is an expensive mistake. Your positioning recently evolved, but the homepage still says the old thing. Or you just need it fixed fast, without a 3-month agency engagement. If any of those landed, this sprint is the right starting point. Here's what actually shifts after the sprint. Visitors start taking a next step. The page earns the click instead of losing the visitor to confusion, which means more inquiries from the same traffic you already have. Your message lands in seconds. Buyers immediately understand who you are, why you're different, and what to do next, without having to read the whole page. Your proof starts working harder. Testimonials, logos, and metrics placed where they actually influence the buying decision, not buried where nobody sees them. And there's less friction to a booked call. Low-intent visitors are guided up gradually. High-intent visitors get a direct, clear path to a call. Better conversion from the traffic you already have. No new ads needed. Before we move on, let me be clear about what this sprint is not. It's not a full brand redesign. If you need a new visual identity or a complete site overhaul, that's a different scope. It's not a multi-page rewrite. We fix one primary page, your homepage, or a single high-intent landing page. And if you don't yet have clarity on who you sell to, positioning should come first. We'd point you to the Positioning Intelligence Sprint for that. But if you have one page with a conversion problem and you want it fixed fast without a redesign, this is exactly what it was built for. Getting started is straightforward. We need 4 things from you: the page you want fixed, who you sell to in one line, your current CTA goal, demo, call, or trial, and any proof you already have, like logos, metrics, testimonials, or case notes. That's it. If you have competitor links or analytics data, even better. But they're optional. No lengthy briefing forms, no long onboarding calls. We work with what you have and build from there. If your site is getting traffic but not demos, let's fix that. The best first step is a free teardown. We'll identify the 5 highest impact conversion fixes on your page and tell you exactly what to change. No commitment, no pitch, just a clear view of what's costing you conversions right now. Request yours at narrativeops.com/website conversion surgery. Your site gets traffic. It should be getting demos. Let's make that happen.